Hey, fi yw Molly.
Fi yw Kirsty.
Tyler Dewey.
And I was in the video last month
about being a second language Welsh speaker.
I'm here to react to your comments.
I was very excited to see the video go out. What we were talking about in the video was really, really good, but the title of the video, I don't think people understood what we meant.
I thought the video was very informative. I think it's quite difficult to understand people who might not have grown up with Welsh speakers in their household.
Casau labelu fel ail-iaith / iaith gyntaf. Y realiti ydy mae'r pedwar yn gallu siarad Cymraeg fod eu hyder yn isel, ond dydyn nhw ddim yn ail-iaith os ydyn nhw wedi mynd i ysgolion cyfrwng Cymraeg.
Using the term second language Welsh, I think it depends on sort of the use. It's a bit of a grey area, I would say. Especially, I would say it's more where you would consider it yourself rather than what another person would want to put that label on you.
If you want to label it as being a second language speaker, I don't see the problem. I categorise myself as a second language speaker because my predominant language is English. It's not that deep.
Reading all the comments, I kind of understood where they were coming from, but they also need to understand where I'm coming from, that I label myself a second language Welsh speaker.
Mae Cymraeg slac yn well na Saesneg slick. I agree with that. The only way that we're going to get more Welsh speakers is if we kind of allow people to make mistakes and kind of other people, if they want to be corrected or if they want to be helped, can jump in and say, look, this is what it is. The next time if you want to use the Welsh word or the correct treigladau or whatever it is, yeah, that's how we learn.
I haven't been corrected in the way I speak, but it's just my confidence. It's like I wouldn't just go up to someone and speak Welsh to them, knowing that they speak Welsh too, because I know that I'll say something wrong.
So I've got a more personal comment saying, yn teimlo'n flin iawn i'r fachgen gyda'i ofn yn cywirdeb iaith. Mae'n enghraifft perffaith pam fod y pirwyr / crachach iaith yn lladd ar y Gymraeg ac yn elynion yr iaith. Yeah, you don't need to feel sorry for me, that's fine. I mean, I will accept the sympathy, but yeah, it is a bit strange. I do still feel the same way. Just that when you push perfection on people, I don't know how you can ever expect it. No person's ever going to be perfect at anything that they do. So if you're going to, unfortunately, force your perfection on a language that, at the moment, thankfully on the rise, but a language that's constantly called a dead language, constantly, if you're going to continue to just run with just that everything has to be perfect, it's only going to lower the numbers as it forces more people to realise that, oh, if I'm not perfect, then I can't speak this language.
I grynhoi, even though I can't speak Welsh, I still do see myself as a second language Welsh speaker, and that's fine.
I do identify myself as a second language speaker, and that's for me to decide. That's no one else to decide, really. It's no one else's business.
Mae Cymraeg yn fy iaith cyntaf, mae Saesneg yn fy iaith cyntaf, ac does dim chance i mi wedi tapu hynny i ffwrdd.